Welcome to Rexline Engineering Indonesia, an Australian group of companies and one of the leading EPCM contractors for mining, power plant, and chemical processing industries. We have complete in-house design, mechanical, electrical, and civil engineering capabilities. We can help you with any facets of engineering in your business. With a tight network of specialized engineering and procurement partners to keep only the best involved with their project and keeping costs down to help with project advancement. Rexline Engineering Indonesia has a track record of supplying in some of the world's largest mining companies globally with our trademarked Rexflex conveyor, belting, wire lining, ceramic, steel liners, rollers, pulleys, and all types of fabrication. Rexline Engineering Indonesia capabilities are mechanical and structural engineering, electrical and control engineering, port civil engineering, shipping logistics, project feasibility, design and estimate, capital cost equipment and system engineering and estimates, site systems audit and evaluation, existing plant equipment, full individual equipment and system design, bid evaluation of proposed material, handling equipment purchases, structural and mechanical CAT detailing, then material flow analysis and transfer chute design, 3D modeling for design and proposal presentation, on-site supervision and construction assistance. Rexline Engineering Indonesia has successfully completed the following EPCM projects globally. 1.3 kilometers overland EPCM for nickel mine in Australia. 1.5 kilometers overland conveyor EPCM in Indonesia, Sabalang. 3 kilometer overland conveyor EPCM in Mexico. 2 kilometers conveyor dismantle and rebuild in Indonesia, Sabalang. 200-meter radial barge loading EPCM conveyor system, Indonesia, Malinau. 600-meter overland conveyor EPCM in Indonesia, Malek Gunung Sari. 1 kilometer overland conveyor EPCM in Indonesia, Sumatra. Our unique USP are Australian or European standards, global project references, cost-effective manufacturing, SGS or any global third-party inspection allowed. One stop for design, fabricated supply, and commissioning. Global experience in mining, cement, power plant, and port. Can supply to all legally approved countries in legal format. Irrevocable LC accepted. To engage our engineering team into your project requirements, please contact us via our website www.rexlineengineering.com.